G'day guys, it's summer here down under and most of us are just getting back to work. Some of us have been back for a week. I went back today. So here are my top 5 tips for getting back to work down under. Tip number 1. On your first day back at work, wear woodworking related apparel so that you don't have to have the same conversation over and over and over again with all of your workmates. Just say, "Hey bro, Happy New Year. What'd you get up to over the holidays?" "G'day Rob, Happy New Year mate. What'd you get up to over your break? Go to the beach and stuff?" "Hey bro, Happy New Year. What'd you get up to over the holidays?" Tip number 2. If you've been wearing earmuffs for your whole holiday, just keep them on for your first week of work. Your boss is going to be nagging you to do stuff way more than your wife and kids. Tip number 3. During the transition period, you should use woodworking and workshop related terminology in the workplace, just until you get into the swing of things. If the boss asks you to do some filing, if team members do a good job, well done. If you're having a big important sales meeting, you should drill down into the details. If you don't like the proposal you're being given, just tell them, "I don't want to go down that route." If your boss keeps nagging for a report or something, just tell him you'll get it squared away by the end of the week. If he's in a real hurry. Tip number 4. American white oak. Have you been sitting around the workshop all summer drinking beer? You know you have. But when you get back to work, suck it in. Dude, you're huge. Tip number 5. On day 1, make sure it's raining so that you have a good excuse for feeling miserable. And by the time you get home through the crap traffic, you'll be so tired you won't want any shop time anyway. Or even better, make sure your car has a flat battery and the engine won't start. That way you'll have a legitimate excuse for calling in sick. Hey guys, well, it was a tough day today. I had 3 weeks holiday and I had to get back to work today and, well, it was tough. I struggled. So I thought I'd share my tips for how to get through the first days, weeks and months of work after having a summer holiday here down under. Alright guys, cheers! If your job requires proper footwear, well then you better comply. Else you might fall foul of OSH regulations. You can never have too many